ever seen clear in my life that I can remember. So I'm almost like kind of just like oblivious to what LASIK even is. Like I'm like, well, yeah, it's gonna do what my glasses does, but not having like it confined to this little small frame, like just being able to see like I've never seen it like that throughout my actual eyes.
Hey Jacob, how you doing?
Good, thank you.
You enjoying your visit?
Yes, sir.
Awesome, that's great. That's what we want to hear on this fall visit. So let's take a look at your eyes and see how they look today. Beautiful. Okay, place your chin here for me. Keep your eyes closed for a second. Blink, blink, blink. Open wide. Beautiful. Looks fantastic. Close your eyes for me. Let's take a look at your left eye now. Beautiful, Jacob. Your eyes are fantastic. They're healing really well. I'm sure you're enjoying your vision, correct?
Yeah.
Wake up every morning being able to see.
Oh man, it's
That's
so
great.
Cool.
That's great.
Yeah.
So, how's your experience been so far?
Really good. The biggest thing I noticed was how quick I was able to transition into like not having to like worry about glasses. Because the first, I'd say 3 to 5 days, I was still in that reaching for them, looking for them, kind of going like this a lot. And then, but really quickly, like not even a week after, I was able to wake up and not feel like, oh, my glasses. It was like so natural, and that was like kind of surprising. I thought it would take me, maybe 2 months, or maybe not 2 months, maybe like a month, to really get like used to it. But it was so quick, so easy. Just everything, even like all the little protocol for it, like the being careful with washing, that was super easy. Everything came really natural.
Well, I'm glad to hear that. I mean, obviously the goal is, once you're liberated from the need of wearing glasses, is to enjoy it, and obviously adapting to that is a positive adaptation. So I'm glad for you. Enjoy. Congratulations. It's with you for a very, very long time. You get to enjoy this forever, okay? All right, beautiful. Any questions?
No.
Awesome.